In a recent unsettling episode at the milk production plant, a vital pump unexpectedly failed, halting production and leading to a significant unplanned expense of €5,000. This incident starkly highlighted the crucial yet often understated role of pumps in the smooth operation of industrial processes. This mechanical failure brought into focus the urgent need for not only immediate repairs, but also a strategic approach towards understanding and preventing such disruptions in the future. The process experts had a hunch. Could operating under vacuum conditions, when tank levels dipped below 20%, be the culprit? With TrendMiner's advanced analytics, navigating through time with the right variables became a breeze. Initially, the experts thought it was a single-time occurrence and the pump was too sensitive to vacuum. A value-based search was performed to search how many times this happened in the last 2 months. Surprisingly, there were numerous times the pump worked under vacuum for periods longer than 10 minutes, gradually damaging the equipment. But TrendMiner didn't stop there. By refining search capabilities, the experts were able to map out every instance of this dangerous operation, understanding the frequency and duration of each event. Finally, a monitor was set up to warn the operators when the tank level is low and the pump is running. This alarm, together with the main views and a repository of the anomalies, was put in a dashboard, making the relevant accessible to the experts in the shop floor. Now, having real-time insights into the frequency of these events, process experts can proactively intervene and prevent issues from escalating into full-blown failures and associated operational disruptions. Thanks to the proactive measures implemented with TrendMiner, the tangible benefits were immediately evident. By preventing a repeat of the pump failure, the plant not only saved the substantial cost of €5,000 in potential pump replacement, but also crucially avoided a full day of production downtime and the repetition of the issue and associated costs. That's the power of TrendMiner, transforming your everyday challenges into opportunities for efficiency and reliability. If you're navigating the complexities of process management and seeking to bolster your operations, TrendMiner is your ally. Reach out today, and let's turn your operational challenges into success stories.